Good morning, children. In the previous class, we had seen the graphical representation of motion. Now, today we will be seeing the equations of motion. These three equations of motion, equations of uniformly accelerated motion. Now, for uniformly accelerated motion, these three equations are very important. Further, you will also be studying the derivation of this. But first, note down these three equations. This is first equation, this is second, and this is third one. First equation is here, V is equal to U plus AT. This you had from the formula acceleration. Acceleration formula you remember, A is equal to V minus U by T. Even from that you can write. If you remember that, then you can get it. This is the first equation of motion. Note it down in your copies because it is very important. From this you will be studying numericals. On the basis of this is almost the most important part of this chapter, and the derivation of these three equations are also very important. So that derivation we will be studying later, but on the basis of this we will study numericals first. S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is second relation. The third one is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now where u is equal to initial velocity of the moving object. V is equal to final velocity, t indicates time, a represents acceleration, and s here distance. So these are the terms and these are the formulas which you have to remember it properly. Now there is some note particularly for numericals. This will tell you how to solve the numerical. Now if the body starts from rest, we'll see one example here. Now from that you will be understanding more properly, but here some important point is there which you keep in mind while reading the question. From that you can get some clues. Now if body starts from rest, means it was at rest, so naturally its initial velocity is 0. U is 0. U is initial velocity, so U is 0. Now if the body is in motion and stops, after applying a brake, it stops. So when stop, final velocity V is equal to 0. And if the body is moving with uniform velocity, that is I told constant speed, uniform velocity, acceleration is 0. That is in one particular direction and the speed is constant. There is no acceleration. So that is A is equal to 0. So these three are the important note which you should remember, and these three are the important formula. Now we can start one numerical. Start with first numerical. I'll write the question and then you can write the solution. You can solve it. Question is, example, a driver decreases the speed of car. A driver decreases the speed of car from 25 meter per second to 10 meter per second in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the car. Acceleration of the car. So this is your question, first numerical, so that you can understand it. Say it. A driver decreases the speed of the car from. So initial velocity is what? Initial velocity is 25 meter per second because the car is moving at a speed of 25 meters per second, and then its speed is decreasing. Its speed is decreasing and the final velocity becomes 10 meter per second. So first, what is given in the question? Write that. Always remember to write what is given in the question because that will help you to identify which formula can be used to solve the question. So first write what is given. So U is equal to, or I'll write it properly, initial velocity that is U is equal to 0. Sorry, not 0. U is 25 meter per second here. 25 meter per second in your question. Then final velocity is v, that is 10 meter per second. Okay, in how much seconds? In 5 seconds. So time is also given 5 seconds. Okay, now what do you need to find the acceleration of the car. To find acceleration, you need to find out acceleration of the car. Okay, now solution. What is the formula of acceleration, children? You remember? A is equal to v minus u by t. Yes. Now substitute the values. V is 10. So 10 minus u is 25. See, all the quantities should be in SI unit. This is one of the most important thing which you should remember while solving the numericals. Here 25 meter per second. Here 10 meter per second. Meter per second is SI unit of velocity. Here 5 seconds. So all are in SI units. So no need to worry. And then comes your time. Time is your 5 seconds. Okay. So now A is equal to 10 minus 25 minus 15. Minus 15 by 5. 5 3s are 15. So implies A is equal to minus 3 meter per second square. So this is your answer. Got it? This way you are going to understand the question and write the given part and then write to find out and then use the formula to solve the question. This is, once again I repeat, a driver decreases. Here important thing, decreases the speed. So this is in negative. Now this negative indicates that the acceleration is decreasing and it is retardation. It is not acceleration, but though it's acceleration, but it's negative acceleration, that is, it is retardation. Decreases the speed of the car from 25 meter per second to 10 meter per second in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the car. Given initial velocity u is equal to 25 meter per second, final velocity v is equal to 10 meter per second, time 5 seconds. To find acceleration, a is equal to v minus u by t. V is here 10. So 10 minus u, that is 25. T 5. Just solve it. You get minus 15 by 5. You get minus 3 meter per second square. So this is all about your numericals part. More of the numericals will be solving in the next part. Thank you.